how to install Pyenv in Windows Linux system or WSL. This step is similar to installing it via Linux. Open your browser and then Pyenv in WSL. You open the first one, GitHub. If you click it, then you will see it has different steps to install Pyenv in Windows Linux system. The first thing you need to do is making sure that this one is Ubuntu 22.04 in WSL. So you activate WSL Ubuntu versions to 22.04. So make sure that your WSL is this. Okay. Maybe it is similar with others as long as it is a Debian version. I'm pretty sure that is the same way how to install this PyEnv. The first one you need to do is just curl this one on your with WSL. Then you paste it like this, okay? And then you hit enter. Wait for another. All right, this is because I already installed the PNV inside my WSL, so it says that I need to remove it first. So maybe different from you, it will download something for you, and then the next step you need to do is just echo this one like this on your WSL, then you hit enter. And then afterwards you need to go to the next steps with echo command like this. Then you need to paste it on your WSL again and hit enter. And then this one up to this one. After this step is complete, you need to go with this one. You need to make sure that you need to copy all of this in your WSL because it is required to perform some unsupported dependencies inside your WSL. So what you need to do is just hit enter, and if you have a password, you need to type your password for the user. And now it is installed. Just wait for a couple of minutes, then you are ready to go. The next step is if you are using Mac, what you need to do is just open your browser and type pynv install in Mac. You might find it out through Google, and you can follow anyone in here that you might feel comfortable for you. There are a lot of ways to install it, so what you need to do is just installing the homebrew. If you are using Mac, make sure that you already activate your homebrew, and then you can install it by typing brew install pynv like this. So suppose it is your MacBook, what you need to do is just brew install. Okay, this is the most elegant way to install it to your MacBook. And then you just follow the steps until the installation completed.